Okay, so I'm just going to show you the details on the different wires we have in this harness. They should be marked, but if they're not, the large 10 gauge wire in the harness is your 12 volt line, which is going to run all the way to the vehicle battery, and it's going to have a fuse connection at the vehicle battery. So that's the destination of the large 10 gauge wire. The orange wire is for the amber beacon on the roof of the capsule, so it'll be heading into the cab of the truck for a switch on the dash. The red wire we talked about, it will be going to the high mount stop lamp connection at the rear of the truck, and the blue wire is also going into the cab of the truck under the dash for a heater switch. That's the heater wire. The white wire is unused and can be used as an auxiliary for any other connections you want to make in the future. On the other end of the harness is what's going to be inside the capsule. It's a simple connection. The plug-in connection connects all of the wires we just talked about, the beacon, the heater, and the high mount stop lamp. The two larger wires are the fused 12 volt DC positive and the ground connection, which will be butt spliced. These two wires will be butt spliced to matching connections inside the capsule.